In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF in Notion. We'll cover two simple ways. First, how to display a PDF directly on a page for easy viewing, and second, how to convert a PDF into editable text inside Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly which option fits your workflow and how to set it up smoothly. Let's start with the quick embed. Open any Notion page where you want the PDF to appear. In the body of the page, type / then PDF and choose the PDF option that pops up. You'll see two choices. Upload, which lets you pick a file from your computer, or embed link, which pulls the document from a web URL. Upload is best if you want the file stored in your workspace and available even if the original source changes. Embed link is handy when the PDF is already hosted online. But keep in mind the link needs to be publicly accessible for Notion to display it. After you add the file, Notion will show a preview block right on the page. If it looks too small or too large, hover over the block and drag the handles on the sides to resize it until it fits your layout. Larger PDFs may take a moment to load, so give it a second if you see a spinner. Now, if you prefer to work with the content of the PDF directly in Notion, maybe to edit, annotate, or reorganize it, use the built-in import. Open Notion's settings, then go to Import, and select PDF. This tells Notion to convert your file into a new editable page. It's currently a beta feature, which means results can vary depending on how the original document was created. For example, PDFs that started as scanned images or have complex layouts might not convert perfectly. After the import finishes, review the new page to check formatting, headings, and any images that were included. It's a good idea to compare a few sections against the original to make sure nothing important was lost in translation. If you need to preserve the original look while still having editable text, consider keeping the embedded PDF and the imported page side by side in your workspace for reference. To recap, use the / command to embed a PDF quickly for viewing and sharing within a page, and use Settings Import PDF when you need editable text inside Notion. Choose the method that suits your goal and you'll be set in just a few moments. Thanks for watching.